In this video, I will show you how to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. So let's get started. If you are having trouble with your iPhone or iPad's touchscreen, it might help by adjusting its touch sensitivity. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now under Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch. Next, tap Touch Accommodations. On Touch Accommodation screen, just turn off Touch Accommodations toggle button if it is enabled. Now next is hold duration. This is the duration you must touch the screen before the touch is recognized. Simply turn off hold duration toggle button. Next is ignore repeat. This is the duration in which multiple touches are treated as the single touch. Here as well, turn off ignore repeat. If touch accommodations, hold duration and ignore repeat are active, iPhone's touch sensitivity will be too low. So when you turn off these three options, iPhone touch sensitivity will improve. So that is how you can increase iPhone touch sensitivity. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.